Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you. I'll be taking you today through the daily recap and the results of the live trading as well. So for Thursday the 15th of July 2021, there were, of course you can see the market, Nasdaq went as bad as 1.8%. Dow Jones was negative but closed positive. For us in the trading, in the opportunities, we were positive. However, we were personally on the negative side, as I will show you and explain to you. Now for the strategy, the winning rate is 36%, representing 9 winning trades out of 25 total, with a total profit, assuming that a trader will have all these opportunities traded. The profit will be $4,060.50 with an average gain of $162 per trade. That's always based on $10,000 starting equity for this month. We will evaluate this one on the upcoming months. Sharing size is 3,000 shares per trade or maximum. And the commission trade is a 3.95. Excuse me. The setting for the entry is minus 3% as a stop loss and 7% as a gain, as a take profit. Now, during the live trading, the results for our entries where, as you can see, the first one, DTSS, we entered, and the entry, the most important thing here is that you you look into your opportunity and see whether you entered correctly or there was something wrong with your entry. So if we lose but our entries are correct, that's no harm. Sometimes it happens, but if you are losing because of your wrong entries, that's the problem. So let us look into the opportunities that we had. DTSS on the daily, it gave us the opportunity at the beginning of the market, but it unfortunately did not complete its upper movement, and then it went down. How was our entry? Our entry, without looking at all these, was correct from the theory. Here, when you look into this one, you are above the 2. You are expected to hit this one and continue. So this is an important thing to watch out for this. So whenever we fail to break it, it is an indication that we will go down, as what had happened with us. So we put our stop loss and we got the first minus 3% in our day. Okay, moving to next, RCAT. RCAT unfortunately also was negative, but was performing good on the daily. So when we entered, the entry was correct again. We are above the 3, the moving average, the 2 moving averages, and the volume weighted average as well. But that's a normal trade where sometimes, maybe due to the market or sometimes due to losing the momentum, the trade changes its direction. So that's also a no problem entry. That's okay. That's accepted. Now, RSLS was doing good on the daily. Okay, and the entry, our entry was also good, although it's a little bit late. And that's why I saw it's better to close it at the earliest. So it started to give some profit. Unfortunately, we did not reach to our 7%. I saw the momentum for the followers and for the subscribers who were with me on the live. The subscribers saw the momentum here, or actually on this one. And everything was excellent. And we made something around 5% from our entry. Okay, but unfortunately we did not complete. I should have closed it, really. I should have closed it and notified the subscribers as well. But that's not a problem. We lost this one as well. So that's minus 3% or 387. Next one was a shock, really, AHP. The AHP when the daily went down, and I was predicting that it will continue also the momentum. Here, when we entered, everything was excellent and the entry was perfect. We are above all, but unfortunately it did not make it also. So speaking of the entries, we are somehow we are okay. 2 were hit where we were moving up. We did not reach our target. Maybe in red days we should lower our target to 5%, but that's not a problem. Again, as long as we are practicing and mastering our strategy, there is no problem, because here comes what will happen with us. We will correct and minimize the losses. Remember that you have a 3% to lose but 7% to win. So one trade will cover for 2. So we have lost 1, 2, 3, 4. SPRT came into the picture, and it was a losing trade as well. So in the normal days, when you see number of losing trades, you should stop, really. But here we were confident that we will enter into good trades and make up for our losses. So we entered this one, which was, again, I'll leave the judgment to you, but if you look into it with this way, your entry, it's okay, it's moving up and everything is okay, but unfortunately it did not make it. The market was not excellent enough, but the most important thing for us is our entry. Now from SPRT we move to SINO. Now Sino came to us at 10:02, and notice that all these trades were in the first half hour of the trading. Now Sino, we saw that it is going to test this one, which is the moving average. Okay, so found it a good opportunity to enter, and our entry was this time good, and we got our profit in 45 minutes. So this was a good trade to minimize the losses. And the first half hour was tough for us, really. Was tough for the market even. So market started to pick up and we got good opportunity as well to enter. Next one was TKAT, and with TKAT we entered the second entry actually, and this is one of our swing trades. I will be updating the website for the subscribers, and TKAT is one of the swing trades for our subscribers. What is concerning us really here is the entry. The entry was here at this candle, which is breaking for these, which is breaking out the previous candles. So it was an indication that it will go up. Okay, and we got in 2 minutes, quick 2 minutes, we got 1,543 to minimize our losses. Then I entered after that ACHL, and immediately I found that there is loss in the momentum. I did not continue all this time, no. I entered here, and then I saw that it is slowing down. I realized that it will not continue and it has lost its momentum, so I closed it immediately with a minimum, with a break even. So the summary of our trades: we minimized the losses So the summary of our trades, of our positions, is minus 254, which is minus 2% of our 10,000 US dollars investment. Now, what saved the subscribers is the swing trade that we had, and if we included and calculate the losses here, JUPW, for those who were for the subscribers who were having an entry at 4.11, they made 19.22%. Okay, but here with this calculation, yes, we have lost 2%, and sometimes the beauty is that when you lose, you can minimize. Maybe the wrong thing was that we have lost one, we gained one, the market is red. Half an hour most of these trades. No, we should have given some time for things to settle, then we come back. Okay, let me take you through the top gainers. If it happens that we entered one of those 9 winning opportunities, then our opportunities will be like this. Those are the best opportunities to enter. I don't think that this should be considered as a good entry, and I was not really attracted to it during the trading because of the volume, because of no volume basically. Yes, on the charts you see that it is going up, but in reality you will not find a reason really to enter into this. There is no traders basically, nobody is trading here. The second top highest, which will be considered as the first one because, as we said, this is not considered. So Tkat made us 7% in 2 minutes, as we have noticed and as we talked about it. So that was the top winning actual or winning trade that we entered. Next is MITQ, and this one also I did not find a reason to enter into this because it made like 33% on the day. I was looking into it, finding an entry, but there was no entry really. Here when you look into this candle, yes, it made 7%, but there was no volume really in the trading. 8.1 million, but when we look into that opportunity, there was big difference between the bid and ask, and there was no really entry. Now HUDI, we were busy with DTSS, and unfortunately I looked into it and I saw that there was opportunity, but the opportunity was only on one candle. Then I started seeing things are going down, so I started to really feel happy that I did not enter this one. Okay, AACG was doing also good on the daily. Unfortunately, we did not enter this one. We were busy fixing our results, wrong or bad results. But there was a very perfect, and this is the most perfect entry really that we have missed. Sorry. Okay, so that was a perfect entry in perfect timing, perfect results. That's basically the perfect trade out of the day in terms of entry and results and timing. So we'll be more selective today to close out the week perfectly. Next one is NLSP. NLSP was red on the day, and here in one candle only with turbulence, actually an unclear really entry, so I don't consider this really as an entry, so I will skip it. EVK was doing good on the daily, was doing good on yesterday. I was about to recommend it for the subscribers, but I stopped when I saw the resistance on the 3. There was resistance on the 3 on the whole figure, which is $3. So I decided, or I saw to skip it for yesterday. We were winning well and everything was okay. So I saw that there are other opportunities really, and it came at the end of yesterday or the day before, on Wednesday. So I decided to keep on watching it and see if it comes into our picture again, and here it comes, and here it made 7% in 10 minutes. Good entry, as you can see, and good results. I took longer than usual today. I thank you for watching, and and if you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate contacting me. I wish you all the best and see you on today's live streaming. Bye bye.